Carlo. Now we're going to Piazza San Carlo to see. Here it is, the Piazza San Carlo of Turin city. It's a quite big square. You can eat also something here or drink. Rinascente. They also have Rinascente here in Turin. We go that way, going to the station, Porta Nova. I think this is the main street for shopping. There's a lot of shops around. Saldi, a lot of saldi means sale. That's the train station, Porta Nova station. We are going back to Milan and then Milan to Bergamo. There are two train stations here in Turin city, but we choose the Porta Nova because it's very near going to the Egyptian Museum. Just about like 10 minutes walking from here. And it's very near to the square, San Carlos Square. It's a nice station there. Let me give you a quick tour inside the Porta Nova station, train station. But first, let me check which binario it's going to. Central Station of Milan. Binario is a platform. Milan Centrale, 15:54. Sì, ba non ancora binario. We have to eat somewhere. Grab some sandwich. Binario di la. We're going there. So our platform is 12, Binario 12. And did you see, guys, how big is their Porta Nova station? This is us, train going to Central Station, Milan. Let me video some inside the train, but this is not the fast one. It's the slower one. Now we're inside the train going back to Milan Central. It's about 2 hours ride because this is a slow train, not the fast one. The Rosa is only like 1 hour. But the train Italia, train Italia? No, train Italia takes 2 hours. With the train Italia, I pay only €15 round trip. But with the Freccia Rossa, €50 one way. So I'm taking this way. I'm not in a hurry anyway. We are leaving Torino. I'm going to share with you the view that we see on the way to Milan, the countryside of Italy, North Italy. Wow, look at that. It's so green. Vast rice field, and there are also corn fields. I love taking train because you see a lot of incredible view outside the city. You see how beautiful the panorama over there. It's more than an hour. I think we are near Milan now. We are now in Milan, but we're not going to go out here because this is not the stop. We need to go to the central station so that we can hope another train going back to Bergamo. Course, since we are now in the big city of Milan, so this is our view, the buildings, tall residences, and less green. Central Station. Do you see the train over there? That's Frecciarossa, the fast train. But of course, it costs. You go to Torino with that, it's only 1 hour. Here we are. We have to change train going to Bergamo. Let me see which platform. We are going to Bergamo, so Binario 12, platform 12. Let's have some quick tour here at the central station of Milan, Italy. Leaving Milan, it will take an hour before we arrive to Bergamo. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.